Hey, hi guys, today we will learn how to make eye easily. So first we will make a rough image of the eye. First I make a rough circle. If proper circle is not made by hand, then you can use rounder or any object. Whatever direction the eye is in, according to that you can make the eye. The target area or inside the area is very important. First we will lightly shade with R or HB pencil and lightly blend it with the help of blender. We will use 2B pencil to make a dark shade in a pocket way. For the inner part of the eye, 9B pencil will be used to create the dark areas. In the area where you want more darkness, you will use more pressure, and where the darkness you want less pressure. Blend it well. Or HB pencil will shade in the side of eye. Use 2B pencil to make a dark shade pocket. Will shade in the side of eye. Will use 2B pencil to make blood vessel. We will use HB pencil first in the inner corner, then 9B pencil used to dark areas. We'll use mono eraser for light areas. HB pencil will be used around the eyes. After mixing it well, we will darken the shading using 2B pencil and then shade the dark areas with the help of 9B pencil. To make the eyelashes, we are going to make them using 10B pencil. Lightly will stroke like the shape of J with the right hand from left to right and then from right to left. In the same way, the eyelid below is used to be lower from the top and left to right or right to left. We will also draw a small hair in the same way. Alright, if you have any query, then you can write your question in the description box. Or if you are new on the channel, then subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press bell icon.